Hey guys, it's Josh of Basic Value, and in this video, I'm going to show you the use of variables for Scratch 3.0. So as you can see, we are in my jump game right now, and we have a lot of variables in here. So here are the variables that are used. So it has a high score, health, lives, random, random 2, score, and Y pause. Now, the use of these variables is to actually save you time in doing redundant stuff. Like, say, for example, if this code didn't have the random and the Y pause variables, you're going to have to key in the numbers that you want for these fields. And mind you, these are going to be very repetitive. Like, as you can see in this string of code, it already has Y pause random. Now, when we move over in here, it's also going to have Y pause, and then it's also going to be contained in other parts of the code. All right, so as you can see, there's high score and score right here. There we have lives, we have Y velocity. So the use of having those variables, is to save you time and to make your code for your program more efficient, so that you don't have to type in a lot of stuff and you simply need to change the values in here so that these would be affected. Like, for example, if random is equals to 1, so set random 1 to 3. So when I change this 1 to 5, this also changes this one. So that's how variables work, and that's the use of variables in Scratch 3.0. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys subscribe because it helps our channel grow. This is Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.